Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is Mr. Jovenal Narcisse on your Cotton, Leather and Others YouTube channel. And for today's video, I'm going to unbox or show you a gift that was given to me by my nephew who is now living in Vancouver, Canada. Actually, I was here last year, in the middle of last year, and he came for a visit here. And he had been living in Vancouver, Canada, for the past almost 3 years. So he was on a vacation, and we did not see each other. And he went to our hometown in the north, in the province of Ilocos Norte, because his parents are staying there, and he left a gift for me. And it was only about 2 months ago that I was able to get hand of it, and he did not tell me about this thing. He did not explain to me, and he just said that in our conversation, in text message and telephone, he just told me that he left something for me uh, as a gift from Canada. So I have here with me an item. Apparently, it is inside a bag. Well, Dotil is the way I know is that Dotil is a store in Vancouver, Canada, which is very exclusive for salvage denims, heritage wear, workwear, and of course leather jackets and others. So I was surprised. So we're going to unpack or reveal what is inside. You know, my nephew is an architect here in the Philippines, but the wife is in Canada. She's working there, and my nephew migrated. I think he petitioned my nephew. That's the reason why he went to Canada. However, my nephew is a very good architect. He has so many projects in our province in Ilocos Norte, and for the past, I think, 5 years, he's been doing some construction, some home improvements, and improvements and repairs of heritage places or museums. So I was surprised he gave me this FILSON jacket, and the size is small. This is a very thick jacket, and hopefully I will be able to use it when I visit him in Canada, or during the time that I would go to Europe, because for this year I have a plan of visiting his brother, another nephew, who is a nurse in Norway. So maybe I'll be bringing this jacket in my trip, because this is nice for a winter wear, nice for the snow. It's warm. The way you see it, it is a very nice coat. So you have a the button in front, left. I mean a button pocket. So left and right pockets. And it is some snap, big pockets actually. And then at the bottom, you have also a pocket with flaps. And at the back, at the side, You have also side back pockets. The way I see it, this is a military coat or a workwear coat from FILSON. So we go now to the dimension of this jacket. We'll try to measure the shoulder. So the shoulder is 19 inches. The pit to pit, this is a very nice coat, very thick, and it is good for, layering. You have 22 inches. So I might be wearing a denim jacket inside, and then this is the coat. And then the opening is another 21 inches. And the length of this jacket is 26 inches. So this is a very nice winter jacket, and the color is olive green. So through this video, I would like to express my thanks to my nephew who is now in Vancouver for giving me this gift. My nephew is also fond of heritage wear. He likes to wear Levi's, selvage denim, jackets, and other workwear. So yeah, Ducky, thank you very much for this gift. And of course, I love this jacket. And one of these days, I will be able to visit you in Vancouver, Canada, and you will see me wearing this piece, which is a very, very nice coat. So with that, thank you for watching and have a good day. Bye.